Now that I've used my Research Careers page to look at careers that might interest me, and I've used the favorite heart to save at least 2 careers, I'm going to look at my career page to figure out some next steps in this career. Note that in the Overview tab, the At a Glance section will show a typical education level for someone in this career. Keeping that in mind, scroll to the bottom of your screen, and below the list of Holland traits, you'll see typical majors. Our related majors section has hyperlinked majors that someone might study to go into this career. Click on the hyperlinked title in one of those majors. Clicking the major title will bring you to an advanced college search with the criteria searched by the major you selected. Pause the video here to look at the list of colleges and institutions that offer the major you selected. When you're viewing your colleges that match your criteria list, please note that a star icon next to a college title means you're looking at an extended profile. This extended profile will be very important for our next step. Now that you've reviewed the list of colleges that offer the major you selected, select one of the extended profile pages from the list. Because we clicked on an extended profile, we get to see lots of information about this institution, including a virtual tour. Use the information on these tabs, such as Overview, Studies, Student Life, Admissions, and Costs to take note of information unique to this institution. Some pieces you might want to jot down for our final eval at the end of our field trip are things like the graduation rate, acceptance rate, and the average net price for a family income of your choosing. Our colleges pages can also be favorited like our career pages. To do this, you're going to go to the top of the screen and use the heart icon to add this institution to your favorites list. This is the colleges I'm thinking about and your prospective college list. Do this for at least one school as you view the institutions that match the major you selected. Once you've looked at all the information within the tabs across the top of the screen, click on the virtual tour. The virtual tour that I selected from American University brought me to this YouTube playlist. Here, I'm going to view these 12 videos to learn more about this institution's campus. This is where we get to our real portion of our field trip. Make sure you take note of which institution's virtual tour you viewed. While you watch this tour, jot down one fun fact you learned about the campus. This is the last stop on our field trip.